Hi guys, good morning, and today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano bumili ng Bitcoins sa localbitcoins.com. So sobrang dali lang ito. Kailangan nyo lang sundan itong step-by-step tutorial video. Okay? So para bumili ng Bitcoins sa localbitcoins.com, kailangan nyo lang na mag-login sa account nyo sa localbitcoins.com at kailangan nyong pumunta sa website na to, which is localbitcoins.com/buybitcoins. Okay? So, next is, kailangan nyong piliin yung currency and country, of course. PHP and Philippines yung ilalagay natin. And click nyo lang yung all online offers, okay, sa payment method. And step 3, click nyo yung search. Okay? After you click the search button, alright, lalabas lahat ng list ng mga available na sellers. Alright? So, pili lang kayo ng isang seller dyan, depende sa needs nyo. And then, i-click nyo yung buy button. Okay? So, mag-pay attention na kayo sa rating ng trader. Okay? In terms of percentage. And then, yung color ng circle na nasa gilid ng rating. Okay? So, pag naka-green color means yung trader is online and ready na siya mag-trade. Alright? So, click nyo lang yung buy. Alright? Then, you'll see the info tungkol sa payment method nyo. Okay? Ganito yung makita nyong window. So, kailangan lang ilagay nyo yung how much BTC ba yung bibili nyo, or pwede nyo ring piliin magkano ba yung gusto nyong amount in peso. For example, 1,000 pesos, ilang BTC pa yon. So, automatically, magka-calculate kasi yan kapag nilagay nyo dito 1,000. So, automatic yan, depende sa conversion rate. Okay? And then, lagay nyo dito sa box na to yung contact message and other information na kailangan. Okay? That's optional, pero I suggest na lagyan nyo ng contact information para mabilis kayong communicate nung seller. Okay? Tapos, dito sa box na to, alright, info block yung tawag dyan. So, dyan mahanap yung mga useful na information about dun sa trader. Yung kanyang contact information at yung kanyang mga conditions. Alright? So, I suggest basahin nyo rin ito ng buo. Alright? Then, pag ready na kayo na magbayad, so i-press nyo lang tong buy bitcoins and hintayin nyo yung answer nung seller. Alright? Usually, hindi naman yan masyadong matagal. Alright? And then, kapag tapos na yung transaction, makikita nyo na tataas yung balance o magkakaroon kayo ng balance, okay, in your local bitcoins wallet. Okay? So, pwede nyo nang isend yung bitcoins na yon galing sa local bitcoin papunta sa any other wallet. Okay, for example, isi-send nyo sa blockchain, pwede yon. Okay, so ibig sabihin from local bitcoins to blockchain wallet, pwede yon. Alright. So, para magawa nyo yon, i-click nyo lang yung wallet or i-click nyo to. Alright. After that, i-enter nyo dito yung receiver's wallet address. Saan nyo ba isi-send or ipapadala? Magkano yung amount ng bitcoins. Kung gusto nyo itong ubusin, lagay nyo lang siya dyan. Alright. And then, press nyo yung continue. Okay. So, after nyo ma-press yung continue, next page na lalabas is yung confirm your outgoing Bitcoin transaction. Check nyo muna lahat. Alright. Tapos yan, enter nyo yung two-factor authentication code. Then, click nyo yung send from wallet once everything is okay. Alright? And then, after that, yun, tapos na yung transaction nyo. Ganun lang kadali bumili ng bitcoins sa localbitcoins.com. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. I will see you again on the next video for local bitcoins. Again, thank you so much. And together we change the world. Have a great day and bye-bye.